Everyone wants to change the world, but what if the real power isn't in money, politics, or fame? What if it's in education? Education opens minds. It breaks the chains of ignorance. It gives people the power to dream, to question, and to create. A single teacher, a single book, or even one lesson can spark a lifetime of change. Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which youth can use to change the world. And he was right, because education doesn't just build futures, it transforms societies. So if you truly want to change the world, start by learning, by teaching, by sharing knowledge. Because real change begins in the classroom and in your mind.